Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. My name is Ashok, faculty for Reasoning as well as Science and Engineering. You can find our various videos in various modules. You can check in our playlist. So do subscribe so that you will get notifications of all those videos. So let us see what we have in this video. So in this video, as we have been doing these short videos, and you can check our short videos, go through playlist and identify, because we are making these short videos to make you comfortable with each problem. I mean, you can check each video whenever it is required for you. No need to browse through. I mean, in a lengthy video you need not check for each problem. So for that we made short videos. So in this short video, so an exercise or an example related to inequalities, we are going to discuss reverse pattern. Means so far we have seen from statements to conclusion we need to verify, so how whether the conclusions are following or not. But a reverse pattern is just means that it is obvious from this that whenever the conclusions, the conditions with the conclusions are given, means conclusion has to be true, conclusion has to be false, a combination of true and false will be given. So based on that we need to check which statement follows. In the options, number of options will be given, so which statement does give you better idea about those conclusions to be so, means those conclusions to be true or false, whatever. So let us see, through better examples we'll try to understand this concept better way. Let us see what we have. One, so as I told you, so you'll be having short videos for each problem. This video has only one problem here, so do watch our other videos also to have complete knowledge or better practice. So do subscribe to our channel, because you will be having you will be getting the notifications for all such videos. So friends, in this video we will be discussing this third example. Do subscribe to our channel, because you will be getting the notifications for all such videos. Do watch other videos, that is first and second example, also fourth and fifth. Okay, so that you will have complete practice about this pattern, reverse pattern. And let us see how to solve this. The same approach we will follow as we have seen in other examples. So let us find first what are the conclusions given here, and we will read the each word carefully in this. Okay, so what is the meaning of that statement or question given here? A greater than B, C greater than D must be definitely true. Okay, so sometimes this happens. If you overlook few words and straight away if you are identifying this only this one definitely true, then if you are jumping into getting these options, okay, so definitely there will be a possible answer in that option set here. Okay, but if you overlook few things, that like this one does not lead to, what do you mean by that? Means it is negating this whatever given thing. Okay, so definitely true in the sense, now the problem becomes, because of this not word, false, isn't it? So this will become a question which makes definitely false, isn't it? So this is the meaning of this question, means these two statements to be definitely false. Means only in such till last second, every time I say till last second of your examination you should be very much focused and attentive, such that you will not lose such things here. So if you have missed this, overlooked this, so definitely some option will be there and you will get negative marking also. So that should not be there. So you should read every word carefully. Only upon that we finalize this thing. Only after finalizing this thing we need to enter into options. Okay, so now that it has become the problem statement, as we rearranged that and we understood that this one should be false and this one should be false. Okay, so first, in order to make them false here, what we need to do, first we need to check what are the various possibilities which make them true. Okay, based on that, if you don't follow that arrangements, definitely it will become false. So what are the various possibilities which make them true? See here, if greater has to be there, greater than or equal to, whatever may be the possibilities here, and making this to be compulsory, greater symbol to be compulsory, and whatever may be the arrangement of these among these symbols only will lead to be true, this expression to be true. And if you are not following that arrangement, so definitely this will lead this relation between A and B to be false. And the same explanation applies here also, isn't it? Both have greater, and whatever we explained here, that is greater to be compulsory, and whatever may be the possible arrangements among these three symbols, okay, that will definitely make it true. If you don't find that relation, means whatever the possibilities you could make with respect to this, if you don't find that, definitely it will make this relation between C and D to be false, isn't it? So with this approach, we'll try to understand it. And unlike this first and second example, you could see two statements are given here. There only one statement or and easy flow were given, isn't it? Here you can easily understand that you are going to put on some more time here, isn't it? So some more time you need to, few extra seconds you need to spend here. Okay, so for that, better practice is always required, and you need not write this expression in your rough sheet, just through your mind, just through observation. So you need to check the symbols. Okay, so how do you face them, how do you put those symbols here, we'll try to understand here anyway. So we need to interpret the observation, just give a glance for 2 seconds, you will definitely get that. Okay, so how to arrange them? Okay, so possibly merge them, or possibly try to rearrange them, but don't put them on paper and waste time on rewriting and all those things. Okay, see here, if you see, observe closely these things. So some common element you need to identify. What is the common element here? E is the common element everywhere in all the options. If you see, E is the common element which bridges these two statements. Okay, so first one if you consider, and what are the relations we need to find between A and B and between C and D. So first we'll try with A and B. Okay, so A's relation with B flows in this direction with respect to common element we are finding. So A towards E, then E towards B. And let me write like this. For first option, between A and B, what are the symbols available here? Between A and E we have greater than or equal to greater. Then E towards B, it is in reverse direction, although we can read them as less than or equal to, but in reverse direction the other way we read them, that is E towards B, where we are making the relation less than or equal to, will become greater than or equal to. So what are the possible symbols here? Greater than or equal to, greater. So this possibility will make definitely the relation between A and B to be greater to be true. So this is making true. Obviously this straight away first option is true. I mean first that conclusion will be becoming true, which has to be false according to the given question. So definitely this can be eliminated. First option can be eliminated straight away without checking the second conclusion, isn't it? Now we'll try to check this second option here, between A and B. Okay, so what are the symbols here? Between A and A is here now, A towards C, then E towards B. So what are the possible symbols here? Less than or equal to, and in this direction if you read them, how do you read them? Also you look them as less than or equal to, but we are reading in reverse direction. How do you read them? Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than. So obviously the relationship cannot be established here between two opposing symbols. So this is going, so probably this may lead to correct option. So let us check the relation between the other relation. So this is false now. So means no relation can be, no certain relation can be established here. So no certain relation in the sense individually this will become false. So let us check this one also. If it is false, it will be our answer. Let us check if it is false or not. So between C and D, where is C here? C is here. Again common element is E. Through E we connect these two statements. So C towards E, then E towards D. See here, between C towards E, in reverse direction we are making the relation. So less than are read as greater than. Okay. Next, between E and D, what are the symbols equal to and greater than or equal to? So what is happening here? This is the possible, one of the possibilities of rearrangements of these expressions with compulsory symbol greater. So this is becoming true. So our option, this one also eliminated, because both has to be false. One is true here, so this is eliminated. Next expression, if you see, okay, so again we have to check this third one, between A and B, between A and B. So what are the symbols here? Towards E, then E towards B. What are the possible symbols? Less than or equal to, is equal to, then from in this direction, in this direction. Straight away you can say this is greater than or equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, less than. Obviously here relationship will not be certain here. No certain relationship can be established, and probably this is also tending to make us check the other option, I mean the other conclusion here, because this is definitely a relation cannot be established here, so individually it will be false. Okay, so let us check the relation between C and D. So where is C here? C is here, C to, and with third option we are in, so C to E, then E to D. So what are the possible symbols here between C to D? C towards E, and it is in the reverse direction, so equal to always remains equal, then less than will become greater, and from E to D, what are the symbols? Equal to, and what is the symbol here? Greater than or equal to. So again it is leading to be true, isn't it? This is a possible arrangement to make it true, so it is becoming true. So one is true, one is false. Obviously this is also eliminated, this option is also eliminated. So let us see the next one. So what is the relation here? Okay, so fourth option I am finding here, I am putting this fourth option here, I am checking this fourth option here, try to observe. So what is given here? Between A and B we will find the relation. A towards E, then E towards B. So while checking A less, A and B, we have symbols less than. Okay, so straight away one compulsory symbol. Here no need to check other symbols. Straight away by seeing this, we can say this to be, option to be wrong. I mean this conclusion to be wrong, because one compulsory symbol, this is less than, in the sense whatever may be the symbols, other symbols you will get, the priority must be given to lesser. So straight away you need not check other symbols. Even the reverse direction symbols may also appear, then no conclusion can be made in that. But if you find such thing, you no need to proceed further to check all those things. Don't, you should not waste much time on that. So obviously this first conclusion, whatever the conclusion, will go wrong. So again it is leading to check whether this other option is wrong or not. Okay, let us see that one also. So what is that option here? C to D. Between C to D, what is the relation here? C towards E, then E towards D. Between C and E, what are the symbols we have? Equal to. Since it is in reverse direction, we read it as, instead of greater than or equal to, we read it as less than or equal to. Then from E towards D, what are the symbols? Less than or equal to. So this is leading that, based on this prioritized symbol C less than D, what is this expression? C greater than D. So obviously it is also making that conclusion to be false. So both are false. Obviously our option is fourth one. So our answer is fourth one. See, so how exhaustive it was. So probably some questions are such a way, we need to spend more time on that. We need to check all those options. So in such case, practice always helps you. Okay, so do practice such that it will you could able to solve it much better way, I mean more quickly. Okay, so I hope you like this video. This is for this video, because that blank question whatever is there which were discussed in this first and second, the approach you understood. So the same question, reverse inequalities, can be put in other pattern, that is in the form of blanks also. Okay, so that was discussed in first and second examples. Do watch those videos also to understand uh, the that kind of question when blanks are given, how to solve that. Okay, so this is for this video. So let us see other videos to understand this concept better way. So friends, that was an example related to inequalities and the two reverse pattern inequalities. Whenever conclusions are given, so corresponding statement, how could be the statement frame? And we have also seen, means with respect to that, what could be other easy model whenever blanks are given. So how you are solving that? Okay, we have discussed that thing also in this video. And do watch our other short videos also, so that you'll have better practice. And don't forget to subscribe, because you'll be getting the notifications for all such videos, not only reasoning, other modules also we have been doing, which will be very much useful for your competitive examination preparation, and also some science and engineering concepts we are dealing with that may be useful for your academics also, those who are preparing for means those who are in this still in academics. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and share with your friends, and also comment if you have any or need any suggestions. Let us grow together. Thank you so much for watching this video.